Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to put iPhone on Do Not Disturb except one person. The Do Not Disturb feature on iPhone lets you silence calls, messages, and notifications so you can focus without interruptions. You can customize it to allow notifications from a specific person while keeping everyone else muted. This is useful if you want to stay available for an important contact such as a family member or coworker. To begin, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Focus, select Do Not Disturb. Under Allowed Notifications, tap People. Tap Allow Notifications From if isn't already selected. Tap Add People and choose the contact you want to allow through Do Not Disturb. Tap Done or check Option to save your selection. If desired, tap Allow Repeated Calls and choose Allowed People Only and toggle on Allow Repeated Calls so a second call from the same person within a short time can come through. Go back to the Do Not Disturb settings to review your changes. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Tap and hold the focus control, then select Do Not Disturb to turn it on. Ask the selected contact to send a message or call to confirm they can still reach you while Do Not Disturb is active. And lastly, when you no longer need the restriction, just turn off Do Not Disturb or return to the People settings to change your allowed contact list. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.